The Amazon rainforest is burning. A pillar of life on Earth, it now chokes on smoke. Thousands of miles away, in the hushed halls of museums, dinosaur bones whisper a different story. These remains hold clues to a prehistoric world, to creatures like Velociraptor, famed for its deadly claws. One story speaks of urgent crisis, the other of evolution's fascinating path. Yet, both remind us of the intricate web of life, past and present, and the importance of understanding and protecting it. The fires consuming the Amazon are not a natural phenomenon. They are fueled by human actions. Deforestation, driven by the insatiable demand for land and resources, carves deep scars into the rainforest. Illegal logging adds to the devastation, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Farmers and ranchers set fires to clear land, a practice that often spirals out of control. These actions, combined with the effects of climate change, create a tinderbox ready to ignite. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the planet. This vast expanse of greenery stretches over 5.5 million square kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Its dense canopy is a marvel of nature, teeming with life and vibrant colors. The Amazon is not just a forest, it's a complex, interconnected ecosystem that supports millions of species, many of which are yet to be discovered. It plays a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. The trees act as a giant air purifier, filtering the air we breathe. Every year, the Amazon absorbs approximately 2.2 billion tons of CO2, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. The sunlight filtering through the leaves creates a serene and almost magical atmosphere, a stark contrast to the destruction that threatens it. The fires release huge amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. These fires, often started by human activity, devastate large swathes of the forest, turning lush greenery into charred remains. The smoke plumes rise high into the sky, a grim reminder of the ongoing destruction. The loss of trees not only releases stored carbon, but also diminishes the forest's capacity to absorb future emissions. This magnificent ecosystem is home to 10% of the world's known species. From the vibrant macaws to the elusive jaguars, the Amazon is a sanctuary for wildlife. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this delicate ecosystem. The diversity of life here is unparalleled, with new species being discovered regularly, adding to the rich tapestry of life. The fires are pushing countless species towards extinction, silencing the symphony of life in the rainforest. As the flames consume their habitat, animals are forced to flee, often with nowhere to go. The loss of biodiversity is not just a tragedy for the Amazon, but for the entire planet. Each species lost is a thread in the intricate web of life that is forever severed. Indigenous communities who have called the Amazon home for millennia are also under threat. These communities have a deep connection to the forest, relying on it for their livelihoods, culture, and spiritual well-being. They are the stewards of the land, possessing invaluable knowledge about the ecosystem. The fires not only destroy their homes, but also erode their way of life, a heritage passed down through generations. Their livelihoods and cultures are at risk. The destruction of the forest means the loss of medicinal plants, food sources, and sacred sites. The resilience of these communities is being tested as they face an uncertain future. The silent scream of the forest is a call to action, urging us to protect this irreplaceable treasure before it is too late. Scientists warn of a looming tipping point. As fires become more frequent and intense, the Amazon is losing its ability to recover. The rainforest could transform into a drier, savanna-like ecosystem, releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This would have catastrophic consequences for the entire planet, accelerating climate change and triggering a cascade of environmental disasters. The time to act is now. Section 5 Raptors, claws of a killer. Dromaeosaurids, a group of feathered dinosaurs that includes Velociraptor and Deinonychus, have captured the public imagination. These agile predators possessed a unique feature, an enlarged sickle-shaped claw on their second toe. Early theories suggested these claws were used for slashing and disemboweling prey. However, recent research has challenged this view, proposing a different, equally fascinating hunting strategy. Section 6, the riddle of the sickle claw. The raptor prey restraint, or RPR hypothesis, suggests that dromaeosaurids used their claws to pin down prey, much like modern hawks and eagles do. Biomechanical studies of the claws and limbs of these dinosaurs support this idea. The shape and curvature of the claws are more suited for grasping and holding rather than slashing. Furthermore, their powerful leg muscles and sharp teeth provided the tools for subduing and consuming their prey. Section 7, modern echoes of ancient hunters. The hunting techniques of dromaeosaurids find striking parallels in the modern world. These ancient predators, often referred to as raptors, were agile and intelligent hunters. They roamed the earth millions of years ago, yet their legacy lives on. Birds of prey, like eagles and hawks, use their talons to capture and restrain prey, showcasing a remarkable similarity to their prehistoric counterparts. These birds are masters of the sky, diving at incredible speeds to snatch their targets with precision, often pinning them down with their body weight. This technique ensures that the prey has little chance of escape, much like the dromaeosaurids did millions of years ago. The power and efficiency of this method are a testament to the enduring nature of these hunting strategies. The similarities in foot structure and hunting styles between these modern birds and their ancient relatives suggest a deep evolutionary connection. The talons of birds of prey are curved and sharp, designed to grip and hold onto their prey tightly. When we compare these to the fossilized feet of dromaeosaurids, the resemblance is striking. This is further supported by the presence of quill knobs on dromaeosaurid arms, which are small bumps where feathers would have been anchored. These quill knobs provide concrete evidence that these ancient hunters had feathers, indicating the presence of feathers, a hallmark of modern birds. Feathers are not just for flight. They play a crucial role in temperature regulation, camouflage, and even mating displays. The evolutionary link between dromaeosaurids and modern birds is a fascinating example of how traits can be preserved and adapted over millions of years. Section 8. A legacy etched in bone. The study of dromaeosaurids offers a window into the fascinating world of dinosaur evolution. Their unique adaptations, from their deadly claws to their feathered bodies, continue to intrigue and inspire. These ancient predators, though long extinct, still hold valuable lessons for understanding the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the forces that have shaped it. Section 9. A shared future, a call to action. As we grapple with the immediate crisis in the Amazon, we are reminded of the urgency and scale of the challenges we face. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, is a vital component of Earth's ecosystem. Its destruction not only threatens countless species, but also accelerates climate change, affecting weather patterns and global temperatures. Let us also remember the lessons from our planet's past. The Earth has undergone significant transformations over millions of years, from the age of dinosaurs to the ice ages. These changes have shaped the world we live in today, and they offer valuable insights into how ecosystems adapt and evolve. The fate of the rainforest is inextricably linked to our own. The Amazon is home to an incredible diversity of life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this complex ecosystem. When one species is lost, it can have a ripple effect, impacting countless others. Preserving this vital ecosystem requires global action to combat deforestation, reduce emissions, and promote sustainable practices. Reforestation efforts like planting trees and restoring degraded lands are essential steps in this process. Additionally, reducing industrial emissions and transitioning to renewable energy sources can help mitigate the impacts of climate change. Similarly, understanding the ancient world, from the smallest fossil to the largest dinosaur, provides context for our place in the grand tapestry of life. Fossils are not just remnants of the past, they are windows into the history of our planet, revealing how life has evolved and adapted over time. These ancient relics offer clues about past climates, ecosystems, and the creatures that once roamed the Earth. By studying them, we can gain a deeper understanding of the processes that have shaped our world and the potential future impacts of our actions. It reminds us of the power and fragility of nature, Natural phenomena such as volcanic eruptions and earthquakes demonstrate the immense forces at work beneath the Earth's surface. At the same time, delicate ecosystems like coral reefs highlight the vulnerability of life in the face of environmental changes. The importance of our role as stewards of this planet cannot be overstated. Conservation efforts, whether through community cleanups or large-scale environmental policies, are crucial in protecting our natural world. Each action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of preserving our planet for future generations. The future for both the Amazon and ourselves depends on the choices we make today. By fostering a sense of responsibility and urgency, we can inspire collective action to address the environmental challenges we face. Community discussions and policy changes are essential in driving this movement forward. Together, we can create a shared future where the Amazon thrives and humanity lives in harmony with nature. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Let us rise to the challenge and take action now for the sake of our planet and all its inhabitants.